Welcome to You Can Do It. Today we're going to be working on a VW T5, 2014 T5, and we're going to change these lamps for something that's a little bit more subtle, a little bit tinted. I like it. It blends in really well with the grey. So we'll just quickly take you through how we can quickly change these lights. Okay, now the boot's open. First, it's very simple. This is just a little screwdriver I keep in the car. You just need to undo these. They come out easy enough, but sometimes they don't actually come right the way out. Alright, that's all loose. Careful because they will fall out. Sometimes you need to actually just pull that there. Those two fall on the floor, so let me just pick those up. The way we get this light off then is what we do is just gently pull it. There you are. Look. So it comes out like that, look. So you can see what the way it connects up to here. Is you've got a little groove there that fits on those speakers. So you just literally pull it that way. Okay. Then you've got that little thing there. Now you can mess around with your fingers, or I just do like that, and then at the same time pull. That's come straight off. Now it's freezing cold out here, so I'm going to take that inside. So let's go inside, and we'll carry on. Inside. They're my new lamps, which I'll open up in a minute, but they're from Germany. So first things first, we just need to undo this screw, this screw, this screw, and this screw. So there's 4 screws. So let me just undo those. Screws are out. 4 screws are out. Look, and that panel comes off, and that's all your light socket system, which will just fit in to keep your screws. So that's the old unit. So we'll keep that so we can just compare it to the other ones. So that's that one. So then let's open these boxes. Open the box. This is from was it Automotive Lamps? Someone in Germany. I've got these. Look, this is the new one. Take it out. Obviously, just check that the fittings are all the same. Yep, that's the same lamp. So let's put these over here. So that's the slightly tinted one, and that's the. It doesn't look like, you probably can't see much difference here, but when you get it on the vehicle, you see a big difference. So let's go about reassembling things. So obviously that's going to stay there. This one, spin it over. Just before I do, there's a rubber seal there. So make sure that rubber seal, look, see it's come out there. Make sure it's sat in there nice, sat in there properly. And then when you put it back together, it will indeed seal, and you won't have water going inside your bulbs. So I'll now screw that up. Screwed in. So we're just ready to go back to the car and fit that and see how we get on. I'll take this one with me, and then you can see the difference. So the only tool you actually need for this job, just a little old screwdriver, Phillips or Posse screwdriver. We're back outside now. A bit difficult to do this with one hand, but simply connect up. Make sure it clips, you heard it clip. And then what you do to put it on is you sit there like that to put it on, and then push. And you'll feel, it can be a little bit stiff here to push on, but push that on so that's level there. And it does obviously protrude a little bit here to start with. Look, and now she's all done. So now we'll put these 2 screws back in. There we are. You don't need to see me to do the other one, but we'll just put the other one in. Obviously the first thing to do is check that everything works. You can just see that it's a slightly different colour. It's not as tinted, so yeah, I quite like it. Slightly more modern real tail lights in a VW T5. Thanks for watching the video. You can do it. If you've got any questions, send me a message. Just see from the side here, they're a little bit darker. They look really sweet.